स्पीक इंग्लिश लाइक नेवर बिफोर। जी हाँ दोस्तों, 3 सवाल करूंगा आपसे। डू यू रियली वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली? क्या आप फ्लुएंटली इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहते हैं? डू यू रियली वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश करेक्टली? क्या आप सच में इंग्लिश को सही बोलना चाहते हैं? डू यू रियली वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश इम्प्रेसिवली? क्या आप सच में इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन में इतने अव्वल बनना चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों के दिल तक पहुंच सके? Think about it, guys. This is possible. जी हाँ दोस्तों, this is possible. आप चाहे इंग्लिश मीडियम से हो और बांग्ला मीडियम से और हिंदी मीडियम से और मराठी मीडियम से, तेलुगु मीडियम से, तमिल मीडियम से, आप किसी भी मीडियम से हो, if you really want to speak English impressively, I'm telling you this is possible. Right now, I will take your test. जी हाँ, अभी मैं आपका एक टेस्ट लूंगा। ये टेस्ट होगा आपकी फ्लुएंसी का, and we will check how much fluent you are. Are you ready? And one more thing, अगर आप last तक बने रहे, if you stay till the end, I will give you a secret also that how you can be fluent. So guys, please stay tuned because this few minutes are going to be very important for you. Okay? And please, if you really feel good after seeing this video and after this test, please नीचे कमेंट में जरूर लिखिएगा that how did you like it. Okay, so let's go ahead guys. Right now I'll be showing you some words. कुछ words आपके स्क्रीन में आएंगे. Some words will come on your screen. You have to make a sentence. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपको एक sentence बनानी है उससे. Okay, so can we start? I will show you a demo. मैं आपको एक demo दिखाता हूँ. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, so here we go. I love my future. I have a lot of sweet friends. I want to take a lot of important steps in my life so that I can succeed. I love to enjoy when I speak with my people in English. I never fear to fail. I have a war inside my brain whether I will succeed or not. I will decide to conquer my fear. I never fear death. Okay. Have you seen? Words came and I tried to make sentences. And now it is your turn. We will do this exercise for only 30 seconds. Yeah, दोस्तों, 30 seconds के लिए इसको करेंगे. And you try to do and speak. जो भी sentence आपके दिमाग में आए, you will speak that. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. Stop. How was your experience? Now I'll tell you what you did. अभी मैं बताता हूँ कि आपने अभी क्या किया. You know, whenever we speak, जब भी हम बात करते हैं, right? We generate lot of ideas. We generate lot of ideas, lot of thoughts, lot of emotion, right? हमारे दिमाग में ideas आते हैं. उस ideas को हम sentence में convert करते हैं, English language में convert करते हैं. We convert them into English language, whatever thoughts we have, right? Am I right? So whenever these words were coming, these were acting like a thought, and you were saying the thought, and you were making sentence. यही तो करना है. You have to do the same thing. You have to think and you have to speak in English. You have to think and you have to speak in English. You have to think and you have to speak in English. And when your thoughts will match with your English sentences, that is fluency. So guys, fluency doesn't mean that you're speaking very fast. Fluency doesn't mean that you're speaking very slow. Fluency means whatever thoughts I'm generating, जो भी मैं सोच रहा हूँ, I'm able to convert them into English language. That is fluency. And you know why people are not fluent? People are not fluent because they are not transferring their thought to language. They are transferring their thought to their mother tongue, and then they are translating from mother tongue to English. आप translation करोगे तो आप कभी English fluently नहीं बोल पाओगे. So guys, today you have come to know when words were coming and you were making the sentences. क्या लग रहा था? Words काफी जल्दी जा रहे थे. Words were going very fast, or it was good. आप आराम से सोच के बोल पा रहे थे. Because if you are fluent, अगर आप fluent हो, तो आप आसानी से बोल पाए होंगे. You could able to speak in English. But if you were getting stuck, अगर आप रुक जा रहे थे, आपको लग रहा था words काफी जल्दी आ रहे हैं, that means कुछ गलत है. मतलब आपको अपनी fluency सुधारनी है. Guys, always remember one thing. If you really want to improve your fluency, first of all, what you have to do, and this was the secret, forget about grammar. Forget about grammar. Go step by step. Your first step should be, I should be fluent. Your next step should be, I should be correct. Your next should be, I should be impressive. So don't try to speak impressive if you are not fluent. First target should be fluent. अगर आप fluent नहीं हो, आप correction के तरफ मत जाओ. So guys, next time when you speak in English, speak English. Don't think about grammar. And by chance, if anyone stops you, अगर कोई आपको रोकता है, hey, you are wrong, stop, you are wrong, stop, you are wrong, stop. अगर कोई आपको रोकता है, tell that person, please, next time, don't stop me. When I'm speaking, I'm in the flow, and this will make me a fluent speaker. Don't stop me, because if you stop me, it will stop my fluency. So next time, what you have to do, you have to speak English without considering grammar, anything else, whatever comes in your mouth, you just let that go. जो भी आ रहा है, बोल देना. Okay? Once you're fluent, then target करो कि I have to be correct. So guys, whenever you speak, think about it. You have to be fluent first. आपने अपनी मातृभाषा भी पहले fluent की, उसके बाद आपने correct की. Okay, so you corrected your mother tongue also like that. You were fluent and then you became correct. So same thing will apply here also. You will be fluent in English, and after that you will be correct. Thank you very much. Guys, there are many secrets. If you really want to know all the secrets, how you can be fluent, how you can be correct, how you can be impressive, so that people, they listen to you. लोग आपको सुने, लोग आपकी वाह-वाह करें. Then join our 5 days workshop. Join our 5 days workshop, guys. We are starting our 5 days workshop this weekend. If you are really interested, नीचे जाइए, there is a link. Click on the link and join our 5 days workshop. ये 5 days workshop में आप कितना सीखोगे, आप इसका अंदाजा नहीं लगा सकते. So guys, please go below, click on the link. Just pay $199. Yes, $199, and join our 5 days workshop, and you are going to be fluent, correct, and impressive in just 90 days. Yes, कुछ ऐसे secrets आपको मिलेंगे जिससे आप सिर्फ 90 days के अंदर अपनी communication को A grade कर सकते हैं. और एक बार आपकी communication ठीक हो गई, your life will be awesome. Thank you very much. Subhash Kartik is signing off. Until we meet again. Thank you.